second topic is non-destructive surface crack detection using fluorescent dye and baby powder as an improvised dye penetrant test. So, one of the test and material is non-destructive testing, and that involves the evaluation of materials without causing damage. And one of the techniques under the non-destructive testing or NDT is the DPT or the dye penetrant testing. So here we are using the fluorescent dye as a penetrant and baby powder as our developers. So if our aim is to reduce the cost of using commercial DPT or dye penetrant testing kits, so we use household materials to detect surface cracks.
So the materials or the household materials that we use on making the improvised DPT or dye penetrant testing are the red dye, the fluorescent that fluorescent dye, the alcohol which have specifically isopropyl, ethyl, then metal samples, UV light to complete this improvised dye penetrant testing kit. So in the procedure, we mix the red dye, the fluorescent dye, and the alcohol to make the penetrant, and then we put it in a spray bottle and then spray to the metal sample like this one, where you can see cracks. So we spray it on the sample to test its effectiveness by settling it in a well time for about 15 minutes. And after that, we wipe the surface smoothly or to dry or to clean the surface, and then we apply the developer, or the developer that we use is the baby powder. So the purpose of the baby powder is to make the dye penetrant emerge with that's the seep from the cracks, and then the evaluation of this is that we use visual inspection, where we see how we can interpret the cracks by seeing the red na visions, or in dark places we use UV light to detect the cracks by the fluorescent dye that comes from the cracks. So in our conclusion, the most effective surface type of surface is the complete surface material, because the penetrant can focus and can seep thoroughly to the cracks, and then can seep thoroughly to the cracks, and we can also apply the developer thoroughly. So the developer is also perfectly balanced in putting it above the surface, and then the evaluate and its results is also very kita kayo yung visibility, both natural light and UV light.
What's the limitation? What's the limitation?
So ang limitation sa mong product is that it cannot completely detect uneven surfaces like curved or completely round tubes, because the penetrant can focus on seeping the cracks, because due to gravity it may just pulo siya pasok lalo.
Okay. Sige. So, ano yung ibigay mo lang?
Yes, sir. Hindi.
Ano ito? Ang lights?
May siyang sample na rockstar, but sa mas